Hello guys, what's up? In this short video I will present another free product provided by our platform. This time I will build the Argon dashboard. It's a well-known design crafted by Creative Team Agency. So the application is free. Anyone can build the dashboard without an account, as many other products provided by our platform. So let's go to the GitHub and grab the sources and start the application. In order to use the application to build from sources, you need to have a stable Python 3 environment. Python 2 is not supported anymore by our kits because the software reached the end of life this year. So we recommend to use Python 3 and to have a stable environment, and check that you have a stable environment before using the kit. So let's follow the instructions presented in the README file. I'm building the application using Windows environment, but the UI kits are tested also on Mac and Unix. So let's grab the sources. Okay. The connection is not great. Now go here. Before install all the dependencies, it's recommended to use in virtual environment to sandbox all your installation. So I will use this command to build a virtual environment inside the application directory. For new programmers, virtual environments are used to isolate all the dependencies and to avoid conflicts among applications. Imagine that you have one application with one dependency, one version for dependency, and another one with another version. So instead of upgrading and downgrade the version for that dependency, you might use a virtual environment and install all the dependency in isolated environment. So the next step is to activate the environment, install the dependencies. So the application is provided with two profiles. The first one is used for development, and SQLite database is used. And for production, this file will install the PostgreSQL connector. For this demonstration, I will use the SQLite database, just to have a proper environment for development. All the dependencies are installed. Will take a while. Okay, now in order to start application, we need at least one environment variable set up. Flask require the Flask application variable to be set. I will use this value. Also Now to start application we need to run only one command, Flask run. Optionally we can specify the port. Let's put the port this one. Okay, the application is up and running. Let's check it. Okay. Okay, so the application checked if the user is authenticated, and if the user is not authenticated, it's redirected to the login page. Let's try to use a dummy user. So wrong user password, we need to create an account, test, create a simple user created, please log in. Now we have access to the all pages of the application. The design is quite beautiful. It's crafted by the creative team agency. We have multiple pages here, user profile. We can see that the information is injected into this page. So we have we register the user test with test at the AppSeed.us email address. Also you can log out, of course. Let's try to log in using a wrong password. You should get an error message, yeah, and also the right password but the wrong user. Cool. So the application works as expected. So guys, the application is free. It's released under the MIT license. You can grab it and use it without an account, and use it, of course, for commercial products. In case you have any questions, you can reach us on Discord. Okay, let me double check something. I will update the instructions with something. Anyway, it's not important. Just use the application if you think it's useful. In case you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. See you on the next video. Bye.